Hello! One of the most frequently asked questions we get is, how do I clean my dental bridge? Today, I'll walk you through the instructions that we give our patients. Immediately after surgery, give yourself 3 days to rest. We like to recommend Stella Life products. Use that for 3 days along with warm salt water rinses, making sure that you're keeping everything clean and there is no debris left after every meal. Remember, no spitting or swishing. This avoids putting pressure on your healing gums. After 3 days, start brushing gently with a soft bristle toothbrush and a pea-sized amount of toothpaste. Keep in mind, your prosthesis is all one piece with teeth and fake gums. And there is a technique for brushing to ensure that you can clean the entire bridge. When brushing, first start at the junction where your bridge meets your gums. You want to position your toothbrush at the junction and brush from one side to the other in a small circular motion while keeping your bristles just under the gums, gliding from one side to the other. After brushing the junction on the outside, then wrapping around to the inside, then brush all surfaces of the teeth and fake gums. Next, you will use your water pick. There are only 2 tips that you will need, your standard tip and your hook tip. The water pick is meant to be a flosser to get rid of any debris that's left between your gums and your bridge that you may not see and you can't reach with your toothbrush. You want to start with the standard tip on one side and move back and forth as you advance to the other side. Then wrap around and do the same thing on the inside. And on the lower, you're going to use both tips. You'll start with the standard tip and you will just go back and forth from one side to the other. Now you will switch to your hook tip to properly clean the inside of your lower bridge. And you want to move the water pick again in a back and forth motion from one side to the other. Once you have completed water flossing, you are done. By following these steps, you will keep your dental bridge clean and your smile healthy. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to the office. We are always here to help.